What's up, everybody? Back again. Another video. Just a little update on the dually. I dropped this line down like 3 inches from where it was. It was just too thick. Needed to look a little slimmer. And really, I mean, I'm just going down a 1/2 inch on this edge, so you can see like the factory line. Not even a 1/2 inch. And then we got a surprise for some new equipment tomorrow. Probably make a video on that. I'm just trying to get some stuff moved around. Some of this down here is too wide. It's still got to move in a little bit just to where it looks appealing to the eye. So if I stand back, you can kind of see. And then you kind of look on here. You see how the top of it's kind of really flat. And I got a little body line right here, kind of from the door. I'm probably going to be adding a little something different. I like this little scoop on the back here for the rear brake coolers. So I just doodled some stuff on there. So that'll be something for the weekend. See what this is going to look like. And then you can kind of see on here what I got going on with the scoop. With the fenders, a curve right here. I'm not sure if I'm going to go like curve like this or a little more flatter. So a lot of these panels on this car are kind of flat. They don't really have a lot of dips going in. So you can see these lines. They're not super rolled in. I think if you roll them in too much, it kind of exaggerates the flare a little bit more. And being this car, the lines are kind of weak on it. Still not sure. I guess once I get some chipboard on it, we'll see what it looks like. And then come to the front here, I wasn't sure. I put this bar here so it's right on the top. So if I run my metal to here, then you look at the side profile, it's right at the crest of the fender. So when I put these on here, I would like to mold them in, and that way it just looks like a factory part, just super exaggerated. And then this, I was like, well, if I put this here and have it roll back and then maybe come down the front and go forward. This is what I was thinking. How these are here. They come off the front of the fender and the outside edge comes forward, and then it has something right here. So I kind of drew that on there. Something similar to that. So I'm kind of taking some ideas and bits and pieces from different AI models and kind of put them all together to something that I like. Let me put the rest of this on. We'll see what this looks like. Alright, I got this back piece taped on here. I tried to use packing tape this time instead of yellow tape, so that way it doesn't look so different color as much. And then we got this spoiler. I actually fiberglassed a big old thing that I could remove as 2 pieces to start making the mold for the spoiler. So you can see one here. There's just some of the glass. I'm trying to have it mold to the body and be in a different shape. Now I can't get it back on here. There we go. It's just kind of sitting on there. And this is the car building channel, so if you're interested in Louisiana fishing or wildlife photography, you can check out Louisiana Through a Lens. My other channel, not a super big channel like this one, but got some cool stuff. Could be interesting. So that's it for today. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, subscribe, leave a comment. What's your thoughts on it? I'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.